Depending on what it's going to be used for, or simply for appearance, Artevia Exposed offers a wide range of possible finishes. The raised appearance of this concrete, commonly called exposed aggregate concrete, will depend on the choice of aggregates, but also on the type of deactivator used.
There's a wide range of aggregates. Several aggregates can be used together, as here. You can vary the colour of the aggregates, you can vary the colour of the cements, and you can also incorporate pigments so that you can really meet any type of requirement. What you're going to be looking for in exposed aggregate concrete is the right amount of exposure to give good grip. For parts that carry traffic, you need that grip. It's a really appropriate product on which there's no risk of slipping. When it's poured, you never want the surface of the concrete to be tamped too much. In other words, use a straight edge to give it a gradient, and then go over it with a float so that the latence rises but the concrete is not tamped too much, and then the deactivator can be applied. You can use different types of deactivator depending on the granulometry of the Artevia. With large aggregates, you will actually work with a deactivator that attacks deep down. And when you've got very small aggregates, you'll be working with deactivators with a smaller depth.
Before getting rid of the slurry, a test on a small area is used to adjust the washing pressure required, or to vary the amount of deactivation in order to obtain the amount of exposure wanted.
On this site, we're going to use the saw-cut joint technique. These cuts in the concrete will create a weak point on the surface that will allow the concrete to expand or retract at that location. You're telling the concrete that this is where you want it to crack. It's reckoned that there should be joints every 25 square meters, or for pathways at 1.5 times the width of the path. The concrete can be washed annually to make it look almost new again. And then a protection product can be applied to the surface of the concrete to prevent external pollution.